In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Epic RAY2 Luma AI text-to-video. So first, simply head over to Luma AI's official website, which is lumalabs.ai. Now from here, click on Try Now to sign into your account or sign up for an account. Now, as you can see right here, let's create a new generation. So click on the plus icon. And now we can add a prompt, a text prompt right here, a text to video prompt or an image to video prompt. So to make sure that we're creating a video, you want to click right here on the side. And as you can see, we are creating videos with this specific aspect ratios, seconds, and the quality. Now to use the new RAY2, we want to click right here, select RAY2, and we can adjust the aspect ratios if we want. And now let's type in a prompt. Let's say 5 dogs playing in the park. And when we hit on enter, we can only use Ray2 if we have subscribed to their plan. So it's not available for free users, so you'll need to take note of this. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.